Create a folder for your new song in Windows Explorer. Go to File, Export and select the folder you just created. Make sure you link your instruments and/or vocals to a mixer track. Export your instrumental or vocals and select the Split Mixer Track button. Open your new song folder and select all of the files in the folder. There will be one for each mixer track as well as a current and master. Drop those into FL Studio's playlist and select the audio files you wish to use. It helps to color code and name your audio tracks in the playlist. Now you can adjust levels, add effects and edit your songs when using the trial version of FL Studio 21. I highly recommend purchasing the producer version. The pros outweigh the cons. Thanks for watching. Check out our music on the channel.